My name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
What's going on, guys? Today we're looking at a 2019 Dodge Challenger Redeye Hellcat. This is finished in the widebody package, painted Sublime Green. It was a one-owner vehicle with just a little bit over 1,000 miles on it. It's loaded with some pretty good options. 797 horsepower from the factory, 203 miles per hour top speed. This thing is a blast. If you've been enjoying our videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on the bell icon, you'll get notified every time a new one gets posted. That way you don't miss out. For our full photo shoots and write-up descriptions, you can visit volocars.com. There you'll not only see this bad boy, but you'll see a couple hundred, both modern muscle and classic cars. You can study our write-ups, take a look at the close-up photos. You can look underneath the car, inside and out. They're all on our website, volocars.com. All right, guys, let's check out this Redeye. So from the factory, like I said, 797 horsepower right out of the box, top speed of 203 miles per hour. This Redeye has just a little over 1,000 miles on it, guys. Underneath is brand spanking new, squeaky clean. It's never been driven in the rain or any bad elements. Part of the suspension package for the wide body, you'll get the competition wide body suspension. This does have an upgraded 309 rear ratio on the axles, limited slip, traction control, dual active mode exhaust, Srt Performance driver modes on it. Guys, this thing is packed with all the goodies, street legal, but race ready right from the factory. This also does have stuff like line lock and launch control on it. If you decide to take it to the track, you can use it. The wheels, part of the wide body package, these are a massive 20 by 11 inch front and rear tires, so they're a squared setup. They're finished in a nice matte gunmetal gray. The wheels are in excellent shape. There's no curb rash or anything like that I noticed on it. The wide body fenders are part of the wide body package. You also get not just the Hellcat badging, but they do put that Redeye in there. Just a little added spice. For stopping power, we got some massive 6-piston Brembo brakes in the front with a 2-piece slotted rotor. In the rear, they're only 4-piston, but still plenty of braking power on it. The front lip, or front spoiler, I guess, still has the splitter guard on it. For all the Mopar fanatics, you keep that on, that way it doesn't get damaged. I did notice there is a slight scuff on the side of it here. It's very minor. Other than that, this is as close to new as it gets. The Sublime Green paint is in excellent shape, guys. It's not a matte color. There is, if you look closely, there's a metallic in it. It brightens in the sun. It pops. This thing just screams Mopar. It looks great driving down the road. We'll cut to the clip later on in the video of me driving it. So. Another added option was the Srt Performance Spoiler. The stock ones are a little bit smaller, so this one was upgraded to the larger one. I do like the newer rear ends on these. They used to have a 1-piece taillight. On the newer models, they split it into a 2-piece. Looks really nice, ties in together. You got those stainless tips for the exhaust. The bottom valance is in great shape, guys. There's no scuffs or anything like that. The tires are practically brand spanking new. It's wrapped in some Pirelli's P0 Performances. Again, just maybe 1,000 miles on them, or a little over 1,000 miles on them. They have plenty of tread left for you to drive all summer on this thing. Let's take a look inside. All right, guys, coming into the interior, I'm going to read off the window sticker here for the options. This is finished in the Laguna leather package, so that's an $1,800 premium leather trim package on it. Not only do you get the heated and ventilated seats, you get the leather door panels. It's all finished in a nice black leather with white stitching. The steering wheel is a heated leather steering wheel as well. You get that Srt Performance wheel with the paddle shifting. It does have a auto trans in it, but this thing is way more fun to shift, or just as fun to shift as a manual, especially in the sport mode. It has awesome features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross path detection. That was an additional $1,000 option to add, so you got safety features just in case you're coming up hot on a car and you don't see it, the car will see it before you do. There is automatic rain sensitive windshield wipers, automatic high and low beam lamp controls. That's part of the technology group. That was another $1,300. This also features remote start. You have Srt Performance pages on here, shift indicators, different drive modes. I can start it up and show you. We'll clip that in. I love how they kind of tie in like a carbon fiber on the dash there and the center console. Looks really nice. They do a really great job on these interior guys. In the back seats are brand spanking new. No one's ever sat back there. I haven't even gone back there. The car smells brand spanking new. That nice Laguna leather smell, if you've never smelled it, it's really nice. The trunk, you can push the button by the steering wheel here. You do have an option on your remote, or your key fob, I should say. Speaking of key fobs, this car has 3. You get 2 red keys and 1 black key. The red key unlocks the full performance, the 797 horsepower. It'll show up that you're using the red key. The black key is around 500 or 600 horsepower. Inside the trunk, guys, everything's brand new, all the carpet. Even look at how clean this thing is. It is brand spanking new. As close to new as it gets. The hood struts stay up. Underneath here, you have the battery, and you have the air pump for your fix-a-flat. You don't have a spare tire, but at least you won't be stranded. You can pump your tire up and get a flat on the road. We'll move over to the engine bay. That's my favorite part. So under this hood, speaking of the hood, you have a dual cowl hood on the Redeye, as well as dual intakes on the headlights. So on the Hellcats, you just get the one. On this, it has 2 open inlets on the inner headlights for the intake function. So under the hood, guys, if I can open it up, there it is. We got that massive 6.2 liter Hemi high output motor. It's pushing 797 horsepower from the factory. You got the Srt Mammoth blower on top. You got the bigger intake with the huge cone filter on it. I mean, that thing that's one of the biggest intakes I've seen on a stock car. These cars are just very, very impressive. You have a quick jump start from the front in case you can't get into the trunk, you're locked out. You can manually pop the hood. You can jump start it from inside the engine bay. This will hook up some jumpers and it'll jump the battery in the back. Again, just over 1,000 miles, guys. This thing is squeaky clean. We didn't even have to detail it when it came in the engine bay. It came this clean. It is in excellent shape. There's literally no dust anywhere on it. This car's the real deal, very collectible. So, and you can get in and enjoy driving it. All right, guys, that was my walk-around impression of our 2019 Challenger Redeye edition with the wide body competition package. If you are interested in purchasing this car, you can again visit our website, volocars.com. Click that Buy It Now button. That'll put a deposit on the car, a refundable deposit. It secures the car for you. That way no one can buy it out from underneath you. Or you can give me a call. Ask for me, Caleb. I'd be more than happy to assist you. If you need, I can set up financing for you, and I can get this thing shipped right to your door. Make sure you visit volocars.com though. Check out underneath. You'll be impressed at how clean it is. But stay tuned for the next video. We got a lot more muscle cars coming.